Ever scrolled past a burger so juicy, so perfectly seared, you could practically taste the smoke through your phone screen? Hold that thought, because your brain just got played. That instant craving triggered by a visual so stunning it feels almost real. But what if that perfect image wasn't real? A 2024 study revealed that 1 in 4 can't tell an AI-generated food image is fake. And here's the kicker. They still rated up to 20% more mouthwatering than an actual photo of the same dish. Your brain is getting hungrier off lines of code and pixels than off actual cuisine, and you probably don't even know it. This is a new level of food photography, subtly rewiring your appetite. Traditional food advertising has always cheated a little, using tricks like motor oil syrup or mashed potato ice cream. It's an art, but messy, time-consuming, and expensive. Enter AI, the ultimate cheat code. It skips all the fuss. No food stylist, no expensive studio, no soggy reality check. Instead, you just type a prompt: glossy cheese pull, golden hour, 8K, steam rising, perfect pepperoni symmetry, rustic wood table. And boom, you get a pizza that never existed, rendered with impossible perfection. This isn't just a filter, it's a paradigm shift. Brands are swapping pricey photo shoots for a laptop and cloud computing credits. They're leveraging AI to generate hyper-realistic images that often surpass human photographers. The magic happens because the algorithm learns, analyzing millions of images to find what triggers the strongest "gotta eat that now" reflex. It cranks those elements up, creating a visual superstimulus that engineers craving itself. Our brains, designed for the savannah, are wired to seek nutrient-dense foods. Bright reds signal ripe fruit, soft shadows imply freshness, and tiny highlights mimic moisture. These are primal survival cues. AI brilliantly stacks these cues into one impossibly perfect superstimulus, a concentrated dose of what our primitive reward centers desire. Neurologically, your reward center lights up before your rational brain can question the flawless image. It bypasses logic for pure craving, confirmed by research. When AI-generated milkshake images were shown, participants' saliva flow jumped 18% compared to real milkshakes. The software reverse-engineered craving, exploiting biological vulnerabilities baked into us over millions of years. Here's where it gets more insidious. Put 2 cupcakes in front of people, one real, one AI-generated. Side by side, 62% can spot the forgery, noticing an unnatural sheen or uncanny perfection. But who views ads side by side in daily life? Nobody. You scroll your feed, an AI cupcake appears, and you instinctively like or save it, unaware of its artificial origin. This isn't just about food. It's a glimpse into a future where AI can manipulate our desires, from what we buy to what we believe. So, next time you're scrolling, ask yourself, is this craving real, or is it just a pixel-perfect illusion? Stay curious, stay critical, and don't let AI eat your lunch. What do you think? Have you ever been fooled by an AI-generated food image? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and its impact on our lives. And remember, the most delicious things in life are often the most real. Go enjoy some actual food.